Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, red color, green color, black color, brown color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. And again use red color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use black color. E-I-G-H-T 8. The numbers of 8. Kids again use black color and draw 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. And again use black color. T-E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 11. Kids now draw 12 and again use brown color. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20. And again use red color. Red color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.